Next up on the stretch series, a prone quadriceps stretch. Now this is really good to stretch that big muscle group right in the front of the thigh, which often if it gets tight due to injury, surgery, it can result in a lot of compressive force to the anterior knee and then just dysfunction on the quad. So keeping this quadriceps muscle relaxed is really nice. Now for this stretch, we do need something to help assist with the stretch. I'm going to be using a stretch strap. You can use anything at home from a towel, rope, even a dog leash can be super helpful. I'm going to anchor it around my shin and then I'm going to lay prone. Now I'm going to make sure that my thigh is in line with my body. So I don't want it to deviate out. I want to keep it right nice and tight with my other leg, nice in line with my body. And then I'm going to pull with the strap with my heel coming up towards my butt. So you're going to pull till you feel a mild to moderate stretch right in the front of the thigh, right around your quadriceps muscle, and you're going to hold for time. After the period of time that you're looking for is held, you can relax a little bit before the next set and then go right back into it just to give the quadriceps a little bit of a break before you go into the next stretch. Keeping the stretch tolerable so that your body can relax and your muscles not fighting against you.